In this video, I want to display the use of Siskiyyou's motion controllers on a setup with multiple micromanipulators and how our switch box allows the user to only have one control at their station. The switch box is capable of 4 manipulators in a setup. In this demonstration, only 2 are used. Each manipulator requires a junction box and a power supply. This setup, I have a right-hand manipulator, MX7600R, and a left-hand manipulator, MX7600L. Once connected, the user can switch to the desired manipulator that needs adjustment. This setup, I have switch A set for the right-hand manipulator and B for the left-hand manipulator. Back to A. And B. Also, on the left-hand junction box, on the Y-axis, I have connected the DR1000 digital readout. Each junction box is capable of powering 4 digital readouts. They can all be stacked up together. The switch box comes in 3 models that will handle our push-button controllers, our rotary controllers, and the joystick controllers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your research.